Hi everyone, and welcome to this edition of the Trade of the Day, brought to you by the Pristine Method Trading Room. This is Paul Lang, and I'd like to remind you that coming up this Sunday, April 22nd, I'll be teaching a class called Advanced Gap Strategies. This is a very detailed and objective class on exactly how to trade gaps. Not just identifying the gaps, but identifying which gaps are likely to move and when they're likely to move, and also the exact entries that are used to enter these properly. Those gaps that get away from you won't anymore. The ones that you shouldn't be trading until later, you'll understand. No question left unanswered. If you want to see a video talking more in detail about what's covered, you can email me, paul@pristine.com, or go to our website or contact your counselor with any other questions. Let's get on with today's trade. Today's trade was Home Depot, where a $300 risk made about $900 gross. It was a 60-minute PBS strategy with an entry off of a 5 and actually a 2-minute chart. Rewards risk about 3 to 1. It was a simple management play, very simple concept, pristine basic. We're looking at playing this 5-minute chart long, even though it seemed to be falling hard. Pristine trained traders know that 60-minute chart told us that it was likely going to be one that was primed to go higher. Also, the daily chart, which is not shown here, was also in a very strong trend. We came down inside of that 60-minute chart, down to the 5, and actually came all the way down to the 2 for an entry. There's actually a second entry here. We could have added shares again, but we didn't in this case because we actually had a very, very tight stop on this one. For a $51 stock, we had a 51.41 entry with a 51.25 stock, playing that all out basically. Target 1, 51.70 as we approach the first resistance area, and target 2, very lucky, just off the high of the day at 52.10. Overall, very nice trade. It made about $900 with a $300 risk. Actually took just about 2.5 hours to finish that trade. We'd like to remind you that whatever your trading needs, Pristine has been training traders for 17 years. And we've trained most all of our competition, literally. If you'd like to take any of our courses, please contact your counselor and feel free to email me as well, paul@pristine.com. Thanks for listening, everybody.